So one more thing to think about is how big actually are atoms? They're definitely too small to be able to see with our eyes. And let's use an example to try and picture it. So if we have just one sheet of paper that you've taken out of your exercise book, if we lie that paper sideways and we look at how thick the paper is, we can just see that with our eyes. And if you measured it, it would be about 0.05 of a millimeter. So 20 sheets on top of each other, that makes about 1 millimeter. But atoms, if we took atoms and stacked them on top of each other, just if we could actually do this, we would have to stack up 1 million atoms just to make the thickness of one sheet of paper. So 1 million atoms stacked up only equals 0.05 millimeters. The thickness of paper. So atoms are tiny. And this means that scientists who've been studying atoms, which are chemists and physicists, they need to do experiments on things they can't see, which makes it really difficult. But through the last few hundred years, we've been able to figure out a lot about atoms, even though we can't actually see them. And that's what we'll be learning about in the rest of this topic.